Hi, today we're going to teach you how to make West African hibiscus tea, which is called Bissap, B-I-S-S-A-P. You can look online if you're interested in knowing all of the health benefits of a hibiscus tea. Here in the Kone household, we like to drink it because it tastes good, especially on a really hot summer day. So to make Bissap, you start with 4 quarts or 4 liters of water. That's about equivalent to each other. If you're starting with 4 quarts of water, you would use 2 cups of hibiscus flowers. We usually bring ours home from Cote d'Ivoire with us, but we're out right now. So I have been ordering online and having pretty good luck. You don't want them in tea bags. You want just whole sifted hibiscus flowers. And you definitely want to buy something that is advertised as organic because you're going to be making a tea out of them. So everything on the petal is going to be in your tea. You also are going to add some mint. I prefer fresh mint, but if you don't, you can use dried mint. Once we've steeped our tea, we're going to add vanilla, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We're going to add some sugar. And there's a double boiling process where we're going to add another quart of water. So it'll be a total of 5 quarts of water in our tea. So once you get your 4 quarts of water in your pot, you're going to add your Bissap petals and your mint, and you're going to bring this up to a boil. Okay, I can hear from the bubbling that it's about ready to start to boil. So just when it comes up to a boil, you're going to turn it down to about medium-low, and you're going to set your timer for 25 minutes, and you're going to try not to lift the lid any more than you have to. This is about what you want it to look like when you have it at the right boil. Okay, our Bissap petals, or hibiscus petals, have boiled for 25 minutes, so they are ready to be strained. This is the point at which I usually need some help. Sekou, can you come help me with the Bissap?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. One of the secrets I learned to Bissap is you boil it twice. So this time we're not going to worry too much about getting all of the petals out of the pot. We'll just be happy with that. I'm going to return these petals to the pot. And then I'm going to add 1 more quart of water back to the petals, and I'm going to boil it a second time for about 15 minutes. The purpose of the second boil is twofold. You're just getting all of the color and flavoring out of the Bissap. It's also going to dilute your first boil, which has a lot of to the extent there's some kind of thickening agent like fructose in the petals. Your Bissap gets a little thick if you don't do the second boil. So while we are waiting for the second boil to finish, I usually take that opportunity to add the other ingredients to my Bissap. Your finished product is going to be about 6 quarts of liquid. To the Kone family taste, I add about 2 cups of sugar. This is one of the places where each Bissap chef will take a little bit of a different approach. There are sweeter versions of Bissap. We prefer on the not quite as sweet side. So 2 cups of sugar to about 6 quarts of water is the proportion we like. And then the other thing that gets added at this point is some vanilla, which is the secret ingredient. To, again, about 6 quarts of water, I add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Our second boil is done, so the second boil also needs to be strained. But this time we are going to try to get all of the juice out of the pot, so it's especially important to have help. Hey, Zumi, can you come help me with the Bissap? Just a little, that's about how much product you'll have from 2 cups of dried petals. I press it a little bit just to get all of the goodness out of it. And then at our house, once these are cooled off, these go to the chickens who really enjoy eating the petals. But obviously, you can put them in compost if you don't have chickens.